How's it going, rednecks? 2 days ago, I was lucky enough to be invited to the Badlands Off Road Park in Indiana by my buddy Joe to join him and his buddies in an off-road adventure. And he has an S10 ZR2 pickup truck, and I gotta say, that thing held its own. And I almost took my Tahoe, but I'm glad I didn't, because you take a look, the tires on this thing would have not performed the greatest, and that would have been a hard lesson once I got up there. So I'm glad I didn't take this thing, and I'm glad I joined along with him and his friends. And coming up is going to be footage of that day. But before you do that, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and as always, get back to work.
Baby, this is do or die. Feel it in my veins tonight. Emotional suicide. You know it's an eye for eye. Didn't wanna walk the plank. No, but then my I was on my way to going under. Swimming in the pain, I was covered.
Oh!
Jeremy, whoa!
Dang.
Shit. Oh, hey. Back up.
Touch the ground, Clay.
Backwards and put the back end back down. Easy, easy.
There he goes. Okay, now
All right, now
cranker.
hard. Drive it.
Get out of the way, bro.
Yeah.
Back up. Yeah. Now drive it. Bend it. Go, go, go. There you go.
Yeah, that's a tight one.
Straighten out your wheels. Your wheel back.
It's a heck of a rig to get through here.
Straight. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Good.
Oh!
Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, just drive at that point.
Nailed it.
There you go. There you go.
Nicely done.
One day
good. Say if you got to put me into the trees further, go for it. I can. That's funny. Oh yeah, drag it. That was probably pretty good footage, actually. Damn, I almost dropped my camera.
Where's your tether?
Oh, yeah, no kidding.
What are you figuring out?
Yeah, he's got everything. Well, yeah, I used to wheel with it all the time. And then... Thank you. Appreciate it.
You have mail. There you go. Get some trail fixing. You're supposed to be smiling. That looked like a gritty smile. Oh yeah, she dropped in. Oh, get it! Where did that come from?
It's rear tire.
Yeah.
They get you too?
No.
I mean, that just slung in the windshield.
It went over us. It'll come up.
Am I getting it?
Yeah,
Or am I undercut? Okay.
it's climbing.
Easy.
One more try.
Alright, Hummer turn. It's always a Hummer turn.
Wow, seriously? Lost in some place? Here comes the side guy side. Yeah, they just put it right.
No.
What's
That's
that?
good enough to get us in, just taking it easy. So,
3 out of 5 ain't bad?
So what do we got, Joe? 3 of 5?
Maybe.
Maybe.
yo, who worked on that lad?
I don't know.
So guy that starts with J and ends with O.
No. Wouldn't be him.
I just missed it by like a half minute.
Isn't that incredible?
Good news.
You might be. I think he's gonna make it from there. Did you say don't move?
What's that clicking sound?
I don't know. That is weird.
What?
Well, thank you. I know the front always rides better, and I'm sure it's the same seat, potentially. Oh, that's what's hitting me, the flag. Like, what's hitting my leg? Dang. This thing is big. After riding in that little S10, holy crap.